This has been a long time coming, this book. I think I've dreamt about doing this for 10 years or more, and in case the name hasn't given it away, it is a combination of quilting patterns and baking recipes. I've dedicated the book to my mum because the recipes are all family favourites that have been passed down through the generations, but they're still things that I bake today for my family, so I hope you really enjoy those. The quilt patterns, I've always pondered why a traditional quilt has never made it into the realm of interior design and decorating. So my whole idea with this book was to show those traditional quilts in a much more modern setting and how you can use them in home dec as well as a bed quilt. So it's a bit of a combination of all the things I love: home, family, handmade, just everything that is dear to my heart. So I hope you love this book as much as I do.